Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a big announcement for you guys. It's kind of good news, kind of bad news. Today is the best polkadotmailbox.com deal of the week that we have ever had. That's the good news. The bad news is it's the last Polka Dot Mailbox deal of the week that we will have. You are going to see some restructuring happening here at Polka Dot Mailbox. I have some new career opportunities that have been presented to me, so I am revamping the way that I do Polka Dot Mailbox. And for sure, you are still going to find me here on YouTube. I'm still going to be sharing my crafty videos, tutorials. I am so grateful for all of the pen pals I have met, the happy mail I've received, and I definitely want to keep up my YouTube channel. Thank you to everyone who has followed me on Instagram, been part of my crafty community on Facebook, or subscribed to me on YouTube. So grateful for you. So if you want a little sneak peek as to what the mystery bundle could entail, I'm going to show you some of the things. Now these are all things that I had ordered in for fall, and I had planned to do different Polka Dot Mailbox bundles, but instead I am going to combine them all together and give you guys an amazing deal. So each mystery bundle will come with 10 items. One of those items is going to be your hero item. It's going to be your most expensive thing, and I want to show you what that might be. So one of the things that I've brought in is this unbelievably gorgeous Project Life Maggie Holmes all-in-one kit. It comes with the album, 156 Project Life cards, as well as the photo pages. This is so cute. I have other varieties as well. Here's an example of the Oh My Heart Paige Evans all-in-one kit that comes with all the same things, album, Project Life cards, and project photo pages. I have brought in more of these albums. I loved working in these albums with the 8x8 format, but in a 4x4 pocket. These were so hard to part with. I had to bring more in. If you get this as your hero item, I am going to pair it with an Echo Park kit. I had brought in some Echo Park kits for fall, so that could be one of the ones that you would receive. I also have some great kits left on the website. Some of them aren't even on the website, but I had ordered in but hadn't shown you yet. Another hero item that you could get would be a combination of one of our 4x4 mini albums. I had ordered more of these in because they were super fun to work with and really quick and easy to put together. I could pair something like this with this gorgeous Our House from Cartabella. So I'm going to try to coordinate your hero item to match, but everything else in the box is going to be a mystery, and it's going to be a variety of things. So I'll show you a few things that you could receive. Like if I'm giving you a Project Life hero item, maybe I'll send you some Project Life cards. I had ordered in a lot of thickers. You could get a package of thickers in your, most likely you will get a package of thickers. They're not meant to match specifically with your hero item, but I have a number of things that maybe I had a few extra left over from previous bundles that were great even on their own. So you could get something in the way of stickers. I will be sending out ephemera. Here's some more stickers that I have ordered in for fall. I'll give you an example of ephemera that you could receive. So some of the ephemera that I've got in that would go well with our fall collection kit is here. I have some leftover Maggie Holmes Flourish, carousel items. So these are always favorites, always adored. So you're very likely to get thickers in your pack as well as stickers. I had brought in a lot of different Jolee's boutique items. So one of the items that you will receive in your mystery bundle will likely be from Jolee's boutique as well. I'll also mention that if you happen to buy 2 of these mystery bundles, you will receive completely different items. If you wanted to wait, this deal of the week is actually going to stay on the website until they sell out. And this bundle that you will receive, you might see it, and once you've received it, say, oh my gosh, I want another one of this. This was an amazing deal. If they're still available online, you can come back and purchase a second one. If you see somebody else's unboxing and you are like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I missed out on that deal, come back and order one. These are gonna stay online until they are all sold out. So again, thank you so much for your support. If you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you part of this crafty community. I'm going to be here posting my tutorials and my creations and my happy mail shares and my unboxing videos, just the same as always before. I have found so much inspiration on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook from all of you ladies, and I'm happy to have shared my inspiration with you, and I'm going to continue to do that. So if you want to get in on this deal, it's while supplies last. And I haven't told you the best part. The best part is the price. So it is going to be $50 for your mystery bundle, and I'm going to pay the shipping. So it is free shipping for Canada and the US to anyone who buys one of these mystery bundles. So that is going to be an amazing value when you consider you're going to get at least a minimum of $70 worth of products in your mystery box, and you will also get shipping for free. So thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again next time.